Hey guys, Rich Pacino, YouTube Vlogger and Creator here. Today I want to talk to you about how to block channels on YouTube. So let's get right into it, and don't worry, I will drop the link to this information below in the comment section, and it is from Creator Handbook. So don't worry, you'll be able to read this at your own leisure. So let's dig a little into it. I want to keep this video as short as possible, just putting the information out there so you might be interested in. All right? Okay, in a nutshell, let's read a little into this. Blocking YouTube channel is not similar to blocking users on other social media platforms. Viewers can still see your channel in search results. Blocking prevents videos from being fed to you by the YouTube algorithm. You can unblock channels at any time. Now, it goes on to say here, blocking on YouTube isn't like blocking on Facebook or other social media sites. Again, you could read that. Why might it be good to block a channel? Let's read into this here. Blocking channels improves your and viewers' recommendations. There are channels out there that have toxic content, such as blatantly spreading misinformation, and I talked about that in my other video right over here. We're going to come right back to this. YouTube's misinformation policy. If you get a chance, check it out. It's only a little over 5 minutes long. Okay, check it out, and let me know what you think about it. I put this information out for the new YouTubers out there, so you could stay in the know and keep out of trouble. In the YouTube community, in the YouTube world, you don't want to have problems with them. Okay, so anyway, it goes on to say here. We already read that part there. There are channels out there that have the toxic content, such as blatantly spreading misinformation, showing content that doesn't align with your views. Your space on YouTube should make you feel at peace. Blocking channels allow us to discover more channels that are worth our time. Plus, YouTube makes it easier for you to block and unblock channels. Now, for those of you out there not trying to be cute, if you see the arrow turns to a hand, that means it's an active hyperlink, and when you click that active hyperlink on, it will jump you to another page, but you could do that again at your own leisure. Now, look at this here. How to make sure your channel isn't blocked by viewers. Let's read this. This is a pretty interesting. I'm going to read some of the highlights, but we're going to get into a little. If you are actively making content on YouTube, chances are a couple of users might find your channel worthy of being blocked. How do you avoid this? Number one, according to this article here, don't clickbait. Let's read a little portion about clickbait. We all hate clickbait, so don't subject your audience to it. Clickbait misleads viewers into clicking on a video by promising content that isn't actually in the video. For instance, if you claim that the next Marvel movie is canceled, but in the video you reveal it's just delayed a few weeks, that's clickbait, and your audience won't appreciate it. Okay, that's number one. Okay, the other one is focus on quality of your content. Okay, I tell people when it comes to creating videos, okay, there's 5 things I do. Okay, 5 steps, 5 little simple steps. 1, when it comes to creating videos, keep it real. Number 2, keep it original. Number 3, let your channel grow organically. Number 4, good titles. And number 5, good thumbnails. Do those 5 things and you should be good to go. Seriously, just those 5 little easy things should be good to go. Okay, so it goes on to say focus on quality of your content. People value authenticity, and they can see through creators who are just doing videos for views. Okay, by producing well-researched content, you will gain a community that appreciates your work. Okay, so that's number 1. That's number 2 on this here. Number 3, know that you can't please everyone. Absolutely, positively, I can't tell you how many times I did my best to do my videos, and sometimes I would get the thumbs down. I say, why do people hate my why do people hate my videos? I don't use clickbait, but it happens, folks. It's gonna happen it happens to the best of us, not just the little small YouTubers out there. Don't worry about it. Learn from your mistakes and move on. Don't dwell on it because it's not gonna do anything for you. Seriously, okay? You guys could do this here. Don't let negativity hold you back from creating those videos. If this is your dream and your passion like it's mine, push all of that aside, clear your head and go into it with a clear conscience, clear mind, and pick up where you left off. But don't let things like that just, discourage you from making videos. If this is your dream, Stick to it. Just learn from your mistakes and move on. Okay? Okay. Know that you can't please everyone, of course. This is reality of content creation. You can't please everyone. Someone out there will not like your content and your content you produce despite your efforts. Whatever the reason, they have it set early on that they will have critics and bashes. It's part of the game, you know, you got to deal with it. All right? How to block channels on YouTube step-by-step guide. Again, you guys can read it at your leisure. Let me just move this over here a little here to make sure I'm not blocking anything. Okay? All right? Don't worry. I'm going to give you the link for the CS so you don't have to worry about it. All right? I want to keep this video as short as possible. Just a little highlight stuff. How do you unblock a YouTube channel? All right? No guilt in blocking YouTube channels. Here, let's read this part. You are free to block any channel that you don't enjoy. It makes your recommendations page as fresh as possible, freeing up more space for worthy channels that are worth your time. Feel free to block and unblock channels as you see fit. Okay? And that's the end of that. All right? That's the last part of it. Again, this video, I want to keep it short and sweet. Like I said, you guys could read all this information at your own, or if you don't want to go directly to the site, you could pause the video if you choose to do so. But I highly recommend you go there. I'm going to drop the link regardless, so it'll be in there, and this is the title you're going to look for. And that's it. And folks, and that's all I want to share with you guys. And I just want to leave this in closing. If you like my videos, it's the first time at my YouTube channel, I just want to say welcome. And if you do like any of my videos and the content I put out, and hopefully you like me as a content creator, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. And I just want to say one little thing here to all the new YouTubers out there. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have started your YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck and the best success. Go out there. Content is king. Keep making those videos because people will watch them. I know they will because they're watching mine. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.